What is going on, guys? Josh Quinones here, and as you can see, I am still in the beautiful San Francisco. It is currently nighttime right now, but you guys already know every time I get a new phone, I got to do videos like this. Right now, I'm doing a low light picture and video test with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. We've been walking around, taking some shots. I'm actually here with a couple of buddies that I met actually out here on this trip for Unpack. I'm gonna go ahead and let them introduce themselves.
Hey, I'm Gilbert.
And then we got this guy over here.
I'm Good Dad.
Is that your YouTube?
This is it right here.
Right there. You guys go subscribe right there. But yeah, what do you guys think about the camera on this phone?
Dude, the low light in this camera is crazy.
Right?
Yeah, it's a whole new game.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's been crazy.
Changer.
Seriously, I am so impressed with this camera, especially with the low light shots that we've been taking so far. But look at this. Right now, I'm currently recording with the front facing camera, moving around. You guys can check out Stabilization. Let me run around a little bit. It does look a little bit shaky, at least from what I'm seeing right now. Get some movement going on here. And then you guys can also let me know how the mics are picking up my voice, what the sound quality is like. We got some background noise over there. So you guys let me know what you think so far. I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the back camera so you guys can check that out as well. All right, so we are now in the rear camera, and look at this, you guys. I am blown away. This camera is literally, it's amazing. The low light capabilities that this camera has is literally mind-blowing. I mean, at least here in the viewfinder, it's looking great. Let me jog a little bit, check out Stabilization. You guys can also let me know how my voice is coming out. Get some movement around here, do a little pan. Look at this, Galaxy S10 Plus. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and play a montage for you guys. Like I said earlier, we went out, took some video shots, took some pictures, and they came out really good. I was really impressed with how well they came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and play that montage for you guys and let you guys be the judge down in the comment section below of how well you think this camera actually does in low light. Let me know down in the comment sections below. But for now, I'll play that montage for you guys. Enjoy. So there it is, the low light camera test using the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Like I said earlier, leave your thoughts in the comment sections down below. Let me know what you guys think. Are you as impressed as I am? I am loving the camera so far, especially since they finally added the wide angle lens. You can just capture so much more in the shot. It is truly impressive. But yeah, leave your thoughts down below. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button if you did like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.